What's up, simps? Welcome to the first episode of Jay's Kitchen. If you're watching this video, it's either Valentine's Day or Valentine's Day is coming up, depending on whenever I finish editing this video. Anyways, this is for all you simps out there. This is your moment. This is your time to shine. This is the one day where you're allowed to simp and get away with it. Typically on Valentine's Day, there's two types of people. People number one.
Fuck Valentine, bitch. Fuck Valentine, bitch. You ain't get no candy, you ain't get no kisses. Ain't no land, no bitch. Ain't no going out the trick. You ain't getting shit from me.
Or. There's number two.
Hold up.
Well, whichever one you are, I'm not here to judge. I'm here to show you how to get the best out of Valentine's. We're gonna be making chocolate covered strawberries. Oh, that dance got me tired. But look up, if it don't come out right, Rose, this is your fault. My mans, it's Valentine's Day. You gotta look sexy. Watch this.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Don't worry about why I say Popeyes on it. It's a sponsorship. And don't worry about why I got paint on it. Oh, Jay, go put a shirt on. No, you sound jealous. First step is always the easiest. You gotta wash the strawberry. Put it in a bowl of cold water and vinegar. Not too much vinegar because it's gonna taste like vinegar. Just put like a cap and a half or two. But make sure the water is cold. Yeah, whatever you say. We paid, yes sir. Splash it. Take your strawberries. Damn, my tall ass. Take your strawberries and put it in. Let it sit in the water. Give it like 5 minutes. Yeah. Y'all know I can hold too. Is that trash can? Y'all can see the trash can? Buckets.
Fuck no, baby.
Cut camera. Hey Siri. Set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 5 minutes.
Yeah. The reason why you want to do this is because when you buy things from the grocery store, it's dirt. You can't see the dirt, but it's dirt. If you just rinse it off with water, that's cool. But I like to be clean. Yeah. It's Valentine's. You gotta be romantic, bro. Don't be a simp. You gotta show some love, you feel me? Like, yeah. My man, you can't simp. But you can show some love, brother. Show some love. Here's my Instagram. Go follow it. If you don't already know, here's my TikTok. Go follow it. Don't be selfish. Come on now. Oh, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. All right, that's 5 minutes. Careful with the stem because you don't want to put the stem off. We're trying to be fancy today. I'm ashy. Oh damn, Jay. See, look. This is what happens when you don't rinse off your fruits from the grocery store. Strawberries, you don't have to rinse them off, but I'm going to because I'm chocolate. And we do things differently around here. Now set them off to the side and let them dry off. Air dry and pat, either or. I'm gonna do both. Stupid. The reason why we let them dry is because chocolate has oil in it. Oil, water, no bueno, don't mix. So you're gonna let them dry off. That bit look deformed. Focus. No? Okay, whatever. You see how much time I'm taking to do this? If I mess this up, I'm gonna be so mad. Ladies, get you a man that can cook. Look here, partner. I don't know like what I'm doing really, but this the one chocolate. This the second chocolate. It look fancy, so I got it out the stove. Now check me out. I don't know what the method is called, I just know how to do it. But you need boiling water, and then you need a bowl. Put the bowl on top of the water when it starts boiling. Put the chocolate inside the bowl. Do not put water in the bowl. And then in the midst of it boiling, you want to stir it so the chocolate will melt. Also put it in the microwave, but I'm classy, you feel me? I'm trying to be fancy for the tube. So we're gonna do it this way. So this one I already started. And this one, yeah. He lit. These things. Not that bad, not that bad. Something light. Oh, this one's terrible. Don't look at that one. I want to do another one. Hold on. Let me double weight this one. Piping bags, highly recommend. Yes, sir. Feel like nut. I mean, they don't look the best, but they not the worst. You feel me? Like they not the best, but they not the worst. See you next time on Jay's Kitchen. Peace. Told me not to sell work. 17.5 same color t-shirt. White mama told me, mama not to sell work. 17.5. Nah, I'm just playing. When you wish upon a star, there's something for.